To find a two's complement of a number, basically in the computer the negative number are stored in a two's complement form. So suppose I am taking an example is -1. So -1 is a negative number. So to convert it into the two's complement form, we have to write the decimal of the 1. So, suppose I am taking here the 4-bit example. So I'll write like this. This is a decimal of 1. So here we have minus. So we have to write the sign bit as 1. This is the sign bit, and this is called as a magnitude. This one called as a magnitude, and this bit is a sign bit. So and this representation called as a SMR. That is a sign magnitude representation. So now to convert it into the two's complement form, first we have to take 1's complement. 1's complement is nothing but the negation of all the bits, like passing all the bits into the NOT gate. So the sign bit will remain as it is, but this the magnitude bit will be passing through the NOT gate. So here 0 will become 1, 1, 1 and 0. So this is the magnitude. So and this is called as a 1's complement form. So now to convert it into the 2's complement form, we have to add 1. So by simply adding 1, we will get the value. 1, 1, 1 and 1. And this is nothing but the sign bit. So this is magnitude. So this is nothing but F. So this is how we can convert a number, like how we can find the 2's complement of a number. Thank you.